What wanna give me opinionated peeps? So peeps, the other day Spice make a statement, right, where she has say, yo, the people in Jamaica need to understand the seriousness of this COVID-19 thing, right? And she was urging Jamaicans to stay home, you understand? And she also talk about the people them we are run out and a fight for bread and all of them thing there in the stores and things like that. And she was explaining that, yo, it's not safe, for una do them thing there, una fi know better, right? Now I personally understand where Spicer come from, and a lot of people understand as well, but some persons just don't agree, right? And I say Spice shouldn't be the one to make a statement like that, knowing that ghetto people have to just do what them have to do for feed them pitney, right? Now the brother here, the youth here, speak out and I answer Spice. Take a listen to him.
You see, all of uno, me go say something, because I don't know how my battery can dead. So you see, somehow, me hear una say, uno na no work, uno na have no food, uno no have no this, uno no have no, uno soon no have no life if uno no listen. Stay on no yard. Stay on no yard, uno soon have no mouth for complain. Uno soon have no breath. Uno na listen. Uno na listen. And it hurt me for when me talk una say I chew me have money. Then you think the money can save me? Hey. If I true me did have money, me wouldn't sit down in my house, me would have gone out there and say, yeah, me have money, so if me catch the virus, me can take your ride. But you see, true, me know, say them say if you catch the virus, you can't have it and it in you feel 14 days, and you don't know, say you have it, so till it start eat out your lungs and you feel like you can't breathe, and by the time you reach by the ventilator, them tell you say your lungs crystallize and you go dead and my money now can't help me. Me, I go stay right here, so.
Alright, Grace Hamilton, Spice. Mother of 2 children, so the same lady with us sing what they say. She could even wear panty. This, you not supposed to have said this. You understand? Because you fought from the ghetto. So you not supposed to have said this. Make somebody who were born and grew uptown say this. You understand? Because no mother now go sit down in their house and watch them pick me dead for hungry. You see me? And me a father. And me not think no father will say them a father would have sit down and watch them pick me dead for hungry or hungry. You see me? Because hungry and a boy, so you're not going to make a pick me hungry. You see me? And me know mother out there right now where Afi go in the street to make a money. And them have to take the risk there. You see me? So when I say all of this, it's like you're not say you're not where you come from. So you need to think before you talk, or you just not say nothing. You understand? Me not go bash you. Me understand so you think how you say you want to protect your fans them for going outside, but you have to still think deeper. Because people in a ghetto, them have to work, them have to go out there, them have to take the risk there. For them picnic survive, or for them survive. And then you go say them to stay inside. You have to pre them the thing there too, man. And not just the upper class, you see? So it better you just not say nothing, or you pre before you talk. But this what you say also don't make no sense. See a mother, we have 2 children, we know where ghetto really is like. You see me? Well.
Now, upon a serious note, me understand where the father says still, cause no real father now go sit down and watch him youth them are dead for hungry, right? But me not really think that is the point where Spice did come from still. Me feel like Spice was more coming from the point where she has say, yo, uno know of this thing, the government gave time frame where uno go out and do uno shopping and all of that. So uno use that time to go out and do it, and then other than that, stay home. I would think that is what spice really means still, you know. But then that is just my opinion. I may be wrong. Me I gonna leave it up to Uno to tell me in the comment section what you mean, cause after all, your opinion matters. Zin?
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.